Hey y'all, here is a buttercream cookie tutorial, I guess, or video for y'all. I was inspired by Must Love Frosting. It has popped up, these cookies that she did on my Pinterest so many times, and every bakery girl has brought it to me and been like, we've got to make these for Halloween. So anyways, it was her idea. She has these really awesome black moth cookies she did with it, but I just couldn't pull those off. And we have this family secret sugar cookie recipe that is just a round drop cookie like this one. And so we always do them buttercream frosted for the case. It's one of our most popular cookies. So I tried to do these for Halloween, the month of October. Anyways, I thought they were so spooky and cool. So they'll be in our case, and you can order them on our pickup specials menu. Oh, creepy.